Hello, welcome guys. This is the 12th video on eShop. So here we have this our main page. Here I have signing. You can see welcome Gihan and this sign out button. So in this video what I'm going to do is that show you how I created the design for ad product. So if I go to this drop down and select my products, you will redirect to this page, my product page, and if you click add product, you can see this design. We have header here, and we have card icon in the header, and finally we have at last we have the footer, and this is pretty much it. This is the design. You can select the category, brand, model, and title, brand condition, and product color, quantity. This is pretty much it. And finally you can add the product description, and you can add product image. So I have programmed this in the backend, so I'm not going to talk about backend programming in this video. This video I just show the design. So if I go to my Visual Studio, okay, you can see this my ad product .php. First of all, I have the HTML boilerplate, doctor HTML, and this is stuff, and you can see the title ad product eShop. This is the title, you can see here, and we have linked Bootstrap and the Bootstrap icon, and our own custom CSS and the logo here. This is the logo. Okay, and after that, in the body section, I have created the Bootstrap container fluid. Okay, and here I have created a row. In that row I have another call to L and a row. So in this row we have our whole pretty much whole design in this row. So first I have this call to L text center and add new product. You can see this is that. So it is text primary. You can see it's blue color, and here after that, end of that div, we have another div call to L and a row. So in that row I have another call to L, and this call large for, it means in the large screen it take only 4, and the border success. Here I have another row call to L for the category. This is for the label category, and that after that I have the select tag for the category selection menu, and I have the option. I have programmed this using PHP, but I'm not going to talk about that in this. So this is the option. So this take 4 columns. So if we divide this whole screen for 12, you can see this is 4, this is 4, and this is 4. The sum of it is 12. So it's pretty much that. So you can select the category, and same for this select brand and select product model. You can see we have another div for call for product brand, and the call for the model. Okay, this is pretty responsive. You can see if I go to my mobile screen menu, and here let me select S22 S20 Ultra. So you can see it's taking the whole column call to L in the mobile menu. You can see that. Okay, that's pretty responsive. And if I come down here, you can see I have HR. You can see this HR, and for the title I have only call to L, and add your title as a label, and input text input. You can see this is the title thing. Okay, it is also taking the whole call to L. Okay, you can see that. Okay, let me just okay, write that. Now I have another chart. So after that I have call to L for the select product condition. This is also the same like the previous select tag we discussed, taken call for, and another one for the product color taken call for also, and another thing for product quantity it also taken call for. Okay, you can see it's like that. And you can see we have the product color for the two separate input section for product color. You can see that we have in that row we have one call 12 and another call 12, so that's how I manage that design here. And again for the cost per item, you can see it's two separate sections. So I have call 6 and call 6 again for the payment method just images, and this label contain some text input. You can see that for this cost per item. And another one, the delivery cost is like same like cost per item and approved payment method. It's also taking 6 by 6. Where is that? Okay, it's also taking 6. Okay, 6 and 6 by 6. Okay, like that. And I have the horizontal row, and finally the product description is taking whole call 12. And for that I used a text area column 30 and rows for 15. You can see the whole text area section. And finally, not the least, I have product images. So you can see it's called 12 and the row, and separate div for the add product images label, this label. And at last I have this offset lg3 for this space. Okay, and this is called 6. I have two different divs here for the call 6. Okay, and I have three divs for this image empty image section. And finally I have the upload images button right here. Okay, and last we have the notice. It's pretty simple, call 12 after the horizontal row. It's pretty simple. And as the last not the least, I have save product button. This thing getting the in large screen, this taking the offset of 4 and column 4 columns, and in the mobile screen is taking whole 12 column. Okay, you can see if I go to mobile screen, yeah, this is right there like that. Okay, and now we have the footer at the bottom. So yeah, footer, I have linked the footer. Okay, that's it guys. This is the pretty much it for the design purpose. So thank you for watching.